How's it going, everybody? This is Dark Odin playing some PowerWash Simulator, and we have a new job. I think this might be the final one of the update. I'm not sure. We gotta clean the private jet. This is gonna be one heck of a job, and I already loaded it up. That way, you guys don't have to wait through that. You can pause here so you can read his whole deal. He kind of sounds like he went close to a volcano and then hit water, maybe crashed or something. But yeah, I also noticed some weird stuff with this plane, like this. What is this? Is this some kind of crazy ray gun? What the heck? Because he said he did make some crazy modifications. But what the heck is that? I think that's just the landing gear there, but that's strange. And what are these? That's not normal engines. That's something different. That's something weird. And I got that. Regular engines. Okay. Seems about right. Something sticking out the back there. I don't know what that is. That up there. That might be something weird. Yeah. Something weird going on with this plane. Alright, let's get... Should we clean from the rear or forward? Do we have ladders? Yes, we do. Let's go clean the rear first. And we'll go forward. Okay. Oh man, so much for this plane. Alright. This way. Probably take this off of this long extension, that's for one thing. Yeah, that's getting it nicely. Look at that. We haven't even got 1% done yet. Oh, I was almost hoping I looked over to see if I got a bunch done already, just doing that big section there. Oh. Nope. We've got lots to go. We get 1% now? Yeah, we got 1%. Woo! 1%. 50%. Alright, let's move this thing because it's in the way. Put it over here. Alright, now it's out of the way. Let's get some of this done. I'm probably going to need that long extension to get that top. But we're going to get the bottom first. There you go. I'm going to go to the wing. Where's my... There we go. Go to the wing and then we'll stop there. All of this. There's something written there. Something written here. I moved the ladder right back in my way, but I can get around it. I'll move it later. I'm gonna get all of this right now. Get all those little grooves and stuff in there. Oh, there's stuff on here. Must be rust. Bam! Got that part. Sweet. How much we got already? 5%. 5%. Come off of there. You dirty sucker. Let's get you clean. You got to be clean. Oh, there's a whole bunch of dirt over there. Bam! Got that. Alright, let's do this section real fast. So we can claim a large section is done. See, I don't see where the wing is, but we're just gonna wing it. Oh yeah, comes the goofy puns. Alright, we got just about this whole thing done. Let's see, all of this. Yeah, get this belly. Pretty good. Pretty good. All of that. get clean belly of the plane. And then all of the side needs to come clean. You need to come clean. Did you do it? Did you do it? All the way out there. Oh, get this stuff right on. Yeah. All this. You see, numbers on this side. There's a ladder in the way on the other side. Oh, did I miss something right there? Did I miss something up there? See how high I can get up on this sucker. That's probably about as high as I get. Is there something written on there? It almost looked like that might have been letters, but no, it's just caked on dirt. It's caked on dirt that don't want to come off. I'm gonna have to use the other sprayer for that. Alright. I got about as much as I'm gonna get off of that. All under here. Okay. We got the whole back part of the plane anyway. Well, except for the upper little wing part, but let's get this real good so that when I do go up there, I can get the rest of it. Alright, let's get all of this here. All there. Alright. Get. Oh. Free ladder. Alright. You need to move the ladder anyway. It needs to go. Come on, man. I hate it. There we go. So easy to place the ladder. You just gotta get it in the general direction, but it's not easy to pick it up. You gotta click right on the ladder, or it's a no-go. I think I've got everything on this side. Oh, up there. Alright, I think I got everything now. Get this all real good. Yeah, got that little red thing. Whatever it is. Got that. Just a little connector to the wing. What is that? Oh, that's inside the landing gear. Okay. Jeez, that's gonna be fun to clean. I didn't think of that. Ugh. All of this. About the engine pod finished. Oh, let's go ahead and get this part of the wing here. While we're right back. What is that? Hitman 2. Really? You couldn't get past that? I think the whole game. Yeah, we should. Apparently they're not good strategic. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Someone was talking about another game, but I just had to. They couldn't get past the first. There was a couple of guys that my brother knows couldn't get past the first world in Hitman 2, and yeah, I had to laugh because I've already beat Hitman 2 long ago, all the way through. I mean, I still got probably a couple little missions to get, some of the little side missions to kill people a certain way, but yeah, I beat that one a long time ago. There's stuff like in those flaps that's not wanting to come clean. Wasn't clean. You lied to me, little thing. I thought you dinged. You lied. Liar plane. Alright. Did I miss a spot there? No, okay. Okay, let's go up here and let's check out upper part. Oh. Let's get a smaller extension, because this is going to be kind of up close and personal stuff here. Jeez, yeah, I can't get that off. Wait, no, it's coming off. Over really slow. And we get it all off. There we go. All gone. All gone. I don't think I'm gonna get that stuff. That stuff looks like it's probably metal. And I took my extension off. I cannot reach it. Those little pieces there, they're not wanting to come clean too good. Get out of there, spot. Is that clean or? It's clean, it's got weird angles. Oh, I bet, yeah, that's the flap. I gotta go from the rear probably to see that stuff and get it off. I got you plane. Whole little secret cracks and crevices everywhere. It's gonna be harder than I thought. So it'll be a breeze with all these big areas, but no proving me wrong, plane. Like every other job before this one. I think it's an easy one. And my dreams are dashed. You're talking to us. We've got a large section done. Got a pretty big section done or something. We're getting there. Almost done. I'm about to finish this one anyway. Another like 15-20 minutes. Come on. Oh.
Are you on a phone? Are you on everything?
Yeah, I am recording. Yeah, all this. Gosh. People always want to come in. Too popular. Fucking. I gotta get the extension because this isn't gonna do it. All this stuff. All this done. All this edge. And then I cannot get that out. For some reason, that's not wanting to come. Going to have to get that stuff. Oh, no, that's coming. Use a different nozzle. There we go, I got it. I don't know why there's spots like that. There's like little slash marks on the tail wing for some reason. Wrong way. This tail wing out of the way. Oh, there's more of those little slash marks. So weird. Up, down, up, and down. I'm painting a plane fence. Oh, isn't this so exciting? So exciting, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, it's almost done! Oh, I got it! Yeah, I got a wing. Oh, and I got the whole rest of the plane to go. If y'all want to donate to fixing my sanity, donate here to. I don't know, I didn't come up with that yet. I'll let you know. Come on. Make me use this little. Hey. Pretty sure I got everything now. But I didn't know. Well, so I have to come back. Oh, I got the long extension one. What the heck is this for? This little wing thingy. What is this supposed to be? Oh, ladder? What are you supposed to be? Right there. You bother me. Falling off the plane. Some clean thing. Come on. There we go. I don't know what I got there. Something dinged. I couldn't see it. It's too small. Whatever it was. Ridgeline thingy. Yeah, I figured it was dirt under there. Oh wait, is that like a air intake? It's like an air intake. That must have been what dinged on the other side. I didn't clean none of this side. Dang it. Let's go over here. Get this. Oh, come on, quit sliding down the plane, man. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? I got slippery shoes on today. All the way over here. A little bit of hill. All that. This. Alright. Come on. Oh. Finish this engine. Get my feet off of that little intake. Alright, now for you. Now for this sucker. Yeah, this one's probably going to be a 4-parter just by looking at those landing gears down under there. That's going to take a while to finish along with the front part, but I think this is going to be the end of this episode. We've got pretty much the tail and this little top section here done. And the next one we'll start and finish off all the wings and the top of this fuselage. Why is there dirt right there? I just sprayed all. There we go. We'll start on this fuselage and the wings, and hopefully the bottom of the thing's going to take 2. That's probably going to take 2 parts, but all of this craziness under here, whatever this thing is supposed to be, and up inside of the landing gears, all 3 of them. So that is this crazy plane. I think it's some scientist that had this, and he's gonna put a gun and all on it. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Y'all like this content, hit that like button, smack that subscribe, and hit the bell, get the future videos. And I'll catch you guys later. Y'all take it easy, be safe out there, have fun. Latest.